Hi, this is Alex from Beech Hill Garage. We're delighted to be able to offer this stunning 1967 MGB Roadster, finished in Tartan Red, satin chrome wire wheels. It's a car we know well, previously sold by ourselves. Owner's change of circumstances has forced the sale of the car. Overall it's in outstanding condition, pretty much as it was when we sold it to the last owner. Bodywork's clean, fresh, straight. There is quite a lot of history with the car. Some photographs from when it was restored some while ago. As you can hear, it's ticking over quite nicely. It's quite a hot day, hence the cooling fan has kicked in. Probably from the best era of B's, so the sweet spot really, with the earlier style rear lights, bumpers, the door pulls and handles, etc. of the earlier style. Nice period motor litre wheel. Something customers often ask for is the later seats with the headrests. This, as you can see, if it's fitted with them. Black leather covers with red piping. Really is quite a pretty car. And in really good condition. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beech Hill Garage, and thanks for watching.